Hey there everybody, this is Freddie over at Platinum Auto World, and today we're going to be taking a look at this 2007 GMC Sierra 2500 HD. It's a crew cab short bed with the 6.6 liter Duramax diesel in it, paired to the one and only Davidson transmission. This truck right here has 197,000 miles. It is a one owner truck, loaded with the SLT package, which include all the normal power options, all leather interior, dual power and heated seats, and also comes with a sunroof and steering wheel controls. We're gonna walk around this vehicle so you guys can have a better idea of what this truck actually looks like in a video rather than just pictures. A lot of people call me and they ask me for a video, so that's why I always shoot this one so people can actually see this truck. I'm going to go ahead and start it up too so you can hear it. Actually do that first, then we do the little walk around. Leather's in good shape. It's not beat up or torn. It's got its normal stuff on there. Your armrest, it's all there. Most of the time you'll see them cracked, ripped, stained, because of the elbow and the elbow grease on there. All right, gonna go ahead and start it up. It doesn't have no check engine lights of any kind or ABS lights or anything like that, okay? So right now, this is what your interior looks like. If I were to buy this truck, I would invest money in some nice WeatherTech floor mats. They are the best thing WeatherTech could ever invented. They came and changed the market of floor mats. All right. It is black, so black shows everything. We got a hard tonneau cover, nice spring Linux spring bed liner. Actually, I rolled all the windows down, but they're all there. They're not cracked or broken. Still has pretty good tread on the tires. Main thing is having rust. It doesn't have any rust. Let me show you your rockers there, and your other rocker. The bottom of your doors are there. Your cab corners there. Well, there's people selling cars with rusted quarter panels and stuff like that. That's not us right here. Alright, so you have a nice bed liner. It seems like they actually spent the money and put the weather shield on it, which is the clear coat, so it doesn't ever fade. There's your back seat. It's in good shape. I haven't smelled any cigarette smoke, but you know, everybody has a different nose, right? Okay. So if you're in the market for a clean truck with no rust, consider taking a look at this 2007 GMC Sierra four-wheel drive. It is available now at driveplatinum.com. Feel free to give us a call at 540-898-8300. We are there Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. driveplatinum.com.